Hi everyone, this is Subbarati. Today we are here to discuss about bot message threshold limits in Microsoft Teams. In Microsoft Teams, we are developing multiple bots, right? So, for example, if the bot is to send notification to users and how many messages we can send per second per minute, there are some limitations. You cannot send as many messages you want to users. So today we are here to discuss about how can we implement that uh, application functionality by considering these limits. So totally this is the agenda. What is we would like to know what is threshold limit and what are the current Microsoft Teams bot threshold limits, so that based on this we can implement a good error-free application. So this is the URL for this article. Based on this article and based on my experience with this bot, I made this video. I hope it will be useful. So in our applications in like in Teams, right? For example, this company communicator Teams bot. This bot is just to send notification to users. For example, the admin, HR team or communications team, they can drop some message and they can send message to entire organization. So that means one message to each user in your organization. Instead of sending emails, currently some of the organization, many of organization prefer to sending bot messages and sending message to teams instead of sending to email. So this is one of the good app template to use in that case. So in this one, we just drop message and we can send message to entire organization users. So earlier there was a consideration like if we are sending message like thousands or lakhs of messages to users, it is used to throw some error message exception saying that 429 too many requests. So for example, within second, if you want to send, if you are trying to send like 1000 messages concurrently, then your bot will throw the error that is called 429 too many requests threshold issue. So in that case, you need to implement the logic to handle that exception case. Like try to resend the message. So you need to implement that resending logic after some by waiting some period. So that is the threshold limit. And now we need to know what are the current Microsoft Teams bot threshold limits. So there are two concepts majorly, like how many messages you can send. There is a topic called per bot per thread limit. Here, per thread means this limits control the traffic that a bot is allowed to generate a single conversation. That means here sending to conversation means sending message to one user. That is like the sending to conversation is like a sending message to one user. And within 1 second, you are allowed to do 7 operations. That means uh, in 1 second, you can send only 7 messages to single user. In this company communicator case, you just need to send one message to one user. So here it means 1 second, one message to one user. So there should not be any threshold issue for this communication type of application. But there could be some other type of application where you need to send multiple messages. For example, in the same application, if you want to send in 1 second, if you want to send 7 messages or 8 messages in different languages, then it is going to throw you the threshold issue. So as a overall, in 1 second, one user, you can send only 7 messages, but still you can send uh, for example, if your organization is having 1 lakh users, you can send all 1 lakh users one by one. You can send 1 lakh users messages, so there won't be any issues. There is no data center level limitations. There are no limitations to send for all users, so that is allowed. But and if you want to send, for example, 7 messages to one user in 1 second, it is a 7 limit, right? So in 2 seconds you can send only 8 messages. That means, for example, if you think in 1 second you are allowed to send 7 messages, means in 2 seconds you might think you can send 14 messages, 14 bot messages, but that is not allowed as per the limits. In 2 seconds you can only trigger only 8 messages. After that it will throw the uh, threshold limits, and in 30 seconds you are allowed to send only 60 messages to the user, single user. Okay, so in the same way there are different limits like a create conversation, how many limits, and get conversation members, or what's the limit, get conversations, what is the limit. You can see all these limits. This is a per bot, per threshold, per thread limit. And there is a concept called per thread limit for all bots. That means, for example, if you have 10 bots, but still in 1 second, you can send only 14 messages per one user. In 2 seconds, you can send only 16 messages. Again, this will be the limit. This is for all bots. And the previous one is for only one bot. This is the limitation. But even though you have multiple bots, and all the bot messages will be considered, and this is the limit in that case. So these are the two limitations available. These are the conditions you need to consider while implementing any Teams bot applications. But again, this is not like exactly value to, it's not like fixed value 1 second 7 operations. This is like an expected, this is like a approximate expected uh, threshold operations which are allowed. So in your application, you definitely have to implement that threshold limit cases. Whenever the exception occurs, 429 too many requests issue, you need to implement that retry sending logic have to be implemented in your application. That's the best way to implement, because even though this is a maximum allowed operations which are specified. So for example, if multiple bots are installed and one bot is throwing error, then obviously in the same second, if you are trying to send from another bot, it is going to throw error. That's the reason you have to implement that 420 too many requests retry logic in your application. That's the best way to implement these threshold limits. And yeah, these are the limits. And the source of this article is like this article, like a rate limiting. Here you can see the limit related documentation. The reason for implementing this threshold limits is because you just need to avoid this spammy messages, and also uh, uh, like if you are overwhelming with too many requests, then your service also will be thrown some errors, right? By considering all those conditions, these rate limits were implemented, and the way of handling this 429 also explained in this article, the back of mechanism. And these are the limits which I just tried to explain. And as mentioned, these values are provided only for estimation only, not like 100%. So you just need to consider these 2 points majorly, this per bot per thread limit, and per thread limit for all bots limitation uh, in your application bot implementation. So that's it about this threshold limit implementation, threshold limit details in Microsoft Teams bot implementation. And I will come up with, I will try to come up with best solution for different concepts in Microsoft Teams implementation. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.